Technology and the impact on our health. Technology improves many aspects of our lives. However, the evidence of negative effects on our health is sufficient. The overuse of tablets, mobile devices, and social media can lead to psychological and physical issues like eye strain, difficulty focusing, and more serious health conditions such as anxiety and depression. Dependence and overuse. A study in 2017 assesses associations between social media use and social isolation among U.S. adults using 11 different social media platforms, including Twitter, Facebook, Google+, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, Vine, and Reddit. It was found that adults with a high social media use felt more socially isolated than their counterparts with lower social media use. The use of social media may increase someone's negative social interactions, such as cyberbullying. Social support, lack of positive interaction, and social connectedness were consistently related to higher levels of depression and anxiety where negative interaction was found. In an article called Social Networking Site, Depression and Anxiety, Elizabeth Seabrook stated that different patterns in individuals with depression and social anxiety with social media are beginning to emerge. Daily, we spend quite a bit of time behind a screen, on a tablet, of a smartphone, or a computer. Whether it's gaming, working, or just surfing the web, these technologies hold our attention for long periods of time. The result can cause eye strain. Several factors lead to eye strain, such as screen time, screen glare, and screen brightness. Blurred vision and dry eyes are examples of some symptoms of eye strain. It can also lead to other areas of the body as well. Poor posture is another example of how technology can affect your body over time. Using a computer or frequently using your mobile device promotes a down and forward position, meaning hunched down or over, like you see in the middle photo. This can result in pain in the head, neck, and shoulders. Creating healthier habits. Set limits for yourself on social media apps to reduce feelings of isolation. Take breaks from screen time to help you reduce eye strain. If you find yourself stuck behind a computer for long periods of time, get up, stretch, and relieve the strain on your body. Finding ways to take breaks from technology may help promote a better lifestyle, whether it be taking a walk after spending hours gaming or working on the computer, or maybe limit yourself to screen time when you don't have to be using it. But more importantly, get some fresh air.